The convocation lecture followed. The guest speaker from the Federal University of Technology, Futmina, Dr. Lanre Sulaiman, will deliver the convocation lecture titled "The Polytechnic We Need in the 21st Century Identified Poor Funding of Polytechnic Institutions by the Government from Annual Budgetary Allocation as Major Factors Posing Challenges to the Realization of an Ideal Technological Institution that is Needed for Solving Societal Problems in the 21st Century."
I pity my brother, the rector, who I was told is not even receiving any subvention, and yet is running this polytechnic efficiently. I remember when we were here, we still get subvention. Then it's complemented by internally generated fund. But I understand now that nothing is even coming to you. I really congratulate you. Just told you what happened, that nothing is even coming to this rector. So this is a problem all over. There's no fund to run the polytechnic. This one is a major problem. I said it. Why didn't many of our children do not want to come to polytechnics? Because there is dichotomy between polytechnic and university education.
The University Don attributed another problem confronting most polytechnic in Nigeria to inadequate facilities, stressing that technological institutions were still lagging behind in modern machines and insufficient numbers.
The classrooms are not there because the funds are not there. And where they are there, they are not adequate because of the number of the students.